A long time ago, over 4,000 years ago, in the land of Babylon, modern day Iraq, people looked up at the stars and asked big questions. They were early astronomers, and they wanted to track the movement of the moon, sun, and planets. To do this, they began measuring angles in the sky. This was the spark that would one day become trigonometry, the math of triangles. But the real adventure began in ancient India. Around the 5th century, a brilliant Indian mathematician named Aryabhata studied triangles in circles. He used a word called jya to describe a curved line inside a circle, a word that later became sine. Aryabhata used this to create tables that helped calculate positions of stars and planets with surprising accuracy. Centuries later, across the deserts and learning centers of the Islamic Golden Age, another mind expanded trigonometry even further. His name was Al-Battani, and he lived in what is now Syria. He translated and preserved Aryabhata's work and added his own ideas, introducing terms like secant and tangent, which come from Latin words meaning cut and touch. But the biggest name in algebra and trigonometry might be Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician from Baghdad. He didn't just use trigonometry, he helped shape it. He connected the sine, cosine, and tangent functions to algebraic equations, laying the foundation for combining geometry and algebra in powerful ways. Now, let's travel to Europe, around the 1500s. The Renaissance was blossoming, and trigonometry was ready to shine in the West. A German astronomer named Regiomontanus wrote one of the first complete textbooks on trigonometry, making it an official branch of mathematics. Later, people like Isaac Newton and Leonhard Euler expanded it further, exploring graphs, identities, and connections to calculus. But trigonometry didn't stay stuck in books. Today, it helps engineers build bridges and roller coasters. It powers the GPS on your phone and helps video game designers create realistic movements and 3D environments. Doctors use it in medical imaging like MRIs, and NASA uses it to navigate space missions. It's even in music apps, analyzing sound waves using sine and cosine curves. From the Babylonian sky maps to modern smartphones, trigonometry has traveled the world, connecting triangles, circles, and imaginations for thousands of years.